Hey, this is Joe with Grow It Build It, and today I'm going to tell you how to divide ornamental grasses. Now, I'm going to be looking at little blue stem and big blue stem in this video. But any clump forming grass like this, you can divide pretty much with the exact same process. The only tools you need to do this is a spade, a trowel, and then a knife or a saw to cut through the clump of grass. You can even use a reciprocating saw if you have one. And I have to apologize for the white line down my video. Apparently I pushed the wrong button on my camera and part of my video has that. So sorry about it. But here's the grass. I'm cutting it down in early spring and then I'm just clearing away the debris. You want to do this in early spring when everything's just starting to emerge because the heat load on the plant is low. But you're basically going to dig a ring around the grass a couple inches away from the plant and just get the shovel under there until you can rock the whole plant out. Doing this in the early spring though is by far the best way to do it, for me anyways. You can do it in the fall too once the plant's dormant. Basically you can move these things around and they won't even know they've been moved once they wake up, so to speak. But once you've dug it out of there, like in this case I'm actually going to cut this one totally in half and plant it in totally different locations. But I'm using my saw and I'm just methodically cutting through, trying to make sure I'm going down the middle. And that's pretty much all you got to do, and then replant them and water them. But that's the biggest thing though, is if you do this when the plants are dormant, it's easy. Your success rate is pretty much, I mean, I've never had one fail on me. They always work if I do it when the temperature's cold like this and everything's just coming out of dormancy. If you try this during hotter temperatures in the spring, you got to be more cautious. You need to make sure the ground's really wet before the day before you do it. So water thoroughly. You've got to keep the clump, the roots moist until you get it back in the ground, and then water thoroughly again, which in this case I'll be watering again anyways. But this works for pretty much any grass, and you want to do this, you know, as they grow. Number one, you'll get free plants this way. The other reason though, the more common one, is the center of the grass plant will just kind of die. It's once the clump gets big enough on a lot of species. So that's the big reason. So if you got questions, ask them in the comments. I'll try to answer them. Thanks a lot, guys. Check out some of my other videos on growing and caring for plants, and have a good one.